We are officially back out here in the snow. It's almost exactly like March 12th, except a little less. We just got showered with snow. And here's the Carrier, 2020 Carrier running in heat mode. All three of these are running. Open scroll. There's a reversing valve. Cloud Ocean fan motor. 2020, 5-ton. Doing a good job though. Right as I said that, that one went into defrost before. Here's this 2017 3-ton. LG scroll. Reversing valve. Gen Tech fan motor. 2017 3-ton. It's cool. It's our warm 2017 3-ton Carrier right here. LG scroll. There. Reversing valve and a Gen Tech fan motor. 2017 3-ton. So yeah, I'm gonna set this camera up for a defrost of this one. This is actually pretty. This one's actually pretty frozen right here. So yeah, these other two are only just starting to freeze up. I think they've already defrosted. So I'm gonna catch a defrost and try for a defrost of this one. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.